Good morning. Hope you're having a great start to your day. We have a guest today, and his name is Hedgie. Hello, Hedgie. Hi. Ooh, who are these kids? Oh, they're kids that I work with at my school. They're awesome. Just want to leave them a little story here. What do you want to say today, Hedgie? I really like people. I'm really glad that you do. Hedgie is a very curious little hedgehog, and he has been in our family for many years, since 2015. Okay, you are great, Hedgie. What do you want to say today? Hold on, it's Thumpkin. He wants to talk too. Oh boy, it's the little monkeys. They showed up too. Hello, 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 hello. Yes, we see Thumpkin, and we see Finger, and we see Middler, and we see Oh, and Pinkerton, the five little monkeys. They are here today to be part of our puppet song. What kind of song are we going to sing today? I want to sing the alphabet. Oh, I like the alphabet too. I'm really good at my letters. Oh, really? How good are you at your letters, Thumpkin? Well, listen to this. A, Z, K, F, J. That's not right. What do you mean? They're all letters. You didn't say them in the right order. Oh, there's an order? All right, little fingers, we got to teach you the order. Hedgie, do you want to lead them? Mm-hmm. Okay, why don't you lead them in the alphabet, and we will listen and be ready. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. I like this song. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? I would love to sing with you. So would we. Yeah, we would love to sing with you next time. But that's all we have time for right now. This is the Little Puppet Show, and this was the Alphabet by Hedgie. And me, Thumpkin. Yes, next time, Thumpkin, you will do a better job singing. And your brothers. All right, everybody, wave goodbye. Bye. Goodbye.